Introducing the GoldStandard Laminator, a simple, affordable and effective way to protect your prints. Preserve your favorite posters, papers or pictures with a professional finish at the office or at home with this quality ABS laminator. This unique device seals your important documents between two protective pieces of film and can be used hot or cold for sensitive prints or professional quality results. Getting started couldn't be easier. Simply unpack your laminator and plug into the mains. Press the power button to turn the device on and choose hot or cold as per your requirements. In cold mode, the machine will use pressure and an adhesive to secure the document between sheets of plastic. In hot mode, you will see an orange light, and this machine will use heat to melt or activate an adhesive material. This secures the plastic around the document. Be sure to use the right lamination sheets for your requirement. The sheets provided with the machine work best in hot mode. Now you're ready to laminate. Prepare the lamination pouch. Load the paper alongside the pre-sealed edge, and when the laminator is ready, insert the pouch into the machine via the input slot, sealed edge first. Now, watch the magic at work as the GoldStandard Laminator protects your documents, sliding your finished product out ready to go. When you're done, just turn the device off and allow to cool for 5 minutes before storing. The GoldStandard Laminator will laminate documents up to A4 size and is ready to use in just 3 minutes. Cleaning and maintenance is easy too, so no need to worry about looking after your machine. Just pass a sheet of paper through the rollers to clear away any buildup of residue for long-lasting perfection. So, what are you waiting for? Enhance your documents easily, professionally and quickly with the GoldStandard Laminator. Get yours today.